morning, students. We have already discussed about the constituents of nucleus like protons, neutrons, electrons, and also its properties. Here, what are the characteristics and different properties of nuclear force? Here, nuclear force is strongest of all the fundamental forces like gravitational force, electromagnetic force, and strong nuclear force. In nucleus, we know that in nucleons, the protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons. Here, the force is highly attractive. The nucleus prevented from total collapse due to repulsive nature of nuclear force when the distance between nucleons is extremely small, and its range is short. It is a short range nuclear force, that is it is of the order of 10 power minus 15 or Fermi. And see, same thing, nuclear force is short range and the distance between is of the order of Fermi, and behind this distance the force is so small that it can be neglected. Another property of nuclear force is saturation. A nuclear interacts with a limited number of nucleons in the nearest neighborhood, like shells like KLMN shells. And this property of nuclear force is established by the constancy in binding energy curve. Here, minimum amount of energy required to separate the nucleons, that is binding energy. And nuclear force are charge independent. Here charge is not dependent, here charge is independent. From this case we can observe that the nuclear force between neutron, 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 proton, proton, neutron and two nucleons does not depend on the electric charge carried by them. Is the force between two neutrons, between two protons like neutron, neutron, proton, proton, neutron, proton, and force between a neutron and a proton. Here nuclear force is spin dependent. We know that spin of proton, neutron, electron. It is nuclear force between two nucleons having parallel spin. It is stronger than anti-parallel spin. Here upper spin, that is parallel spin, both the spins are in parallel state, and down spin, that is anti-parallel spin, one up and one down spin. And nuclear force is exchange force. A nuclear force exists between two nucleons due to exchange of points. Here pi mesons 5 plus 5 minus 5 0. Depending on their charge, it is categorized as 5 plus 5 minus 5 0 between them. And nuclear force is non-central. A nuclear force between two nucleons does not act along line joining their centers. So these are the properties of nuclear force. One is strongest force, short range, saturation property. Nuclear force are charge independent, nuclear force are spin dependent, nuclear force is an exchange force, and nuclear force is also non-central force. See, these are the characteristics and properties of nuclear force.